I moved from this to this, and I'm here to show you one of the powerful ingredients that you can use to shrink your belly fat. If you want to slim your waistline using simple natural ingredients, this video is for you. Now, these particular ingredients are just 4 in number, but they are very powerful. They are my always go-to whenever I want to take natural things. When I don't want to take all these pills, weight loss pills and the rest, and I need just natural things to take to lose weight, especially lose belly fat fast, this is one of my secret recipe, and I'm here to show you what it is all about. Now, this recipe will work for you if you're a lady giving birth before or not. This recipe will work for you. If you're a man dealing with stubborn belly fat, this recipe will work for you. Now, I want you to understand that one of the organs that help to regulate the way we store or how we store our belly fat is our liver. And once our liver begins to be sluggish, or once our liver is beginning to packed with many load, it finds it very, very hard, to process fat. It starts storing fat instead of using up fat. So in this recipe, this recipe will focus on the liver health. It will detoxify your liver and make the fat burning mode, your fat burning mode, to increase by 10 times. So if you have been having sluggish liver, this recipe is the recipe you need. So let's dive in here. Now, this recipe will make you to lose a lot of belly fat. Be very, very mindful. So do not take this every day. I highly recommend you taking it 4 times or 5 times in a week. Just take it slowly. Just once you are consistent with it for 3 days, in the next 4 days, if you take it first day, second day, third day, the 4th day you will see a massive difference. Now, this is how my belly is looking like. I'm a 2-time CS mom. I have 2 boys. And this is what my belly is looking like. So if you really want to shred your belly fat, make your waistline very slim and tight and snatched, you need to take this mixture that I'm about to show you. It is very powerful, and it is it doesn't harm or cause any damage to your system. And what is that? Our first ingredient of this mixture is fenugreek seed. Fenugreek. Now, let me tell you something. This fenugreek seed can be used for a lot of things. It can work for a lot of things. In fact, if you want to gain weight, you can actually use this fenugreek. But this is also a very powerful fat burning, especially belly fat burning ingredient. So it depends on how you use it and the method of usage, which I'll be showing you in this video. Now, our next ingredient will be ginger. Look at it here. Ginger. Now, this is the dried ginger. If you don't have the dried one, I don't have the fresh one, I have the dried one, so you can use the fresh one if you have it. Now, you need a lot of this particular ingredient. Look at it here. A lot of it. This will help in this recipe to be very, very effective, to make it very powerful. And our 3rd ingredient is what? Clove. So many people are sleeping on this clove. Clove have many it's packed with powerful ingredients. This clove can help tighten can help heal inflammation. It can help reduce joint pain. If you have anybody that is dealing with arthritis or having stiffness of the muscles, if you have someone, you can also use this to tighten your downside. This clove is very powerful, and it's also a very powerful belly fat burning ingredient we shall be using in this recipe. Now, our last but not the least is what? Our clove. Our garlic. You need garlic. We might not be using everything here, but certainly it is one of the things you need for this recipe. So let me show you how to use this recipe for a maximum result. Now, all these things are here. Now, I'm going to be using this as our bowl. You need a bowl which you can use in mixing these ingredients, this powerful mixture that we're about to create right now. So quickly, without wasting time, so we have our first ingredient here, which is the fenugreek seed. I'm going to take 2 spoons of it. 2 spoons, like so. 1, 2. So I'm going to quickly wash it, just to wash in case there are any dust. Just remove it. Remember, 2 spoons of this. And also, if you are breastfeeding mother, you can use this to to snatch back easily. It can help to flatten your your postpartum belly, and it is safe for you and your baby. So I'm going to add this here. Remember, the purpose of doing this is just to remove the dust, in case you have any dust, because you don't know where it is coming from. So in order to be on a safer side, just quickly rinse it off. Make sure you get all the stuff. Remember, 2 spoons of fenugreek seed. And I'm going to go in with my ginger. Remember the quantity I'm using for ginger. I'm going to add this. If you don't have dry one, please, you can use the fresh one. But make sure you crush. No, do not just put the ginger in your mixture like that. Make sure you cut it into, you know, smaller piece. Let it, you know, if possible, just finely chop it very well. Let little juice be coming out from the ginger. Let it release some of the juice, but not like blend it to the finest form. So I'm going to wash this. You can see the plenty of ginger that I'm using. You need plenty of it, plenty of it. So I'm going to add that here. Then I'll go in with my clove and wash. Not really wash, just rinse it, so that you're not going to use, I know, soap and start washing them. Sorry, I'm just kidding. And sorry, this clove I just added is 2 spoons of clove. I didn't remember to show you, but I've already measured it out. That is 2 spoons of clove. Then ginger, you can just know that you are using, you know, large amount of ginger. Just make sure you are using at least 3 large ginger for this recipe. And finally our clove. I'm going to, you know, just take this out here. So in here now, I want to make this 5. I want to make this 5. So if you watch here, you see how big these gingers are. You see the board is very big. This is big, 5 big board. If yours is little, the boards are little, just use 1 whole full garlic in medium size, the whole of it. Because if yours if your own balls are very smaller, so like this might be up to, let's say, 5 of little balls if your own balls are smaller. So you need a bunch of it. But if yours are exactly in this big size, you need 5 of this. Remember, you can never add too much of garlic. You can never add little. So make sure it is up to the, you know, level that we want it. This or the whole, you can use it. But preferably, I'll be using just this. So I'm going to peel out the skin. Peel it out like so. Just peel it out sharply. Just be watching what I'm doing. This is a very simple mixture, but very, very powerful. When I say it's powerful, believe me, it is powerful. And in just 3 days of drinking this, you will know that something is happening. Your belly will become so flat that your neighbor will ask you, what are you using? So I'll set this aside here. I have my mixture here. I'm going to just cut it into half, into smaller pieces, into smaller pieces. We are using just 4 ingredients for this. 4 natural ingredients that you can find in your kitchen, but yet they will turn out to be a powerful mixture. So as you can see, they are all here now. So the next thing, I'm going to go in with my water, my room temperature water, not hot water, room temperature water. You get? So for this mixture now, we are going to be taking this for 3 days. For 3 days, yes. So 3 days, but let it not pass 4 days. You can extend it to 4 days, but let it not pass 4 days. You get? So, and for each 4 days, this is the cup that I'll be using to drink it. See, this will be my measuring cup. So just get your own measuring cup and use it for this measurement that I'm about to show you now. So I'm going to get water. I'm going to get water now, because I'm going to be taking this for 3 days, morning and night. So in a day, I need 2 cups of this. I'll be drinking 2 cups of this. So I'll add, first of all, 1, you see, 2, that is 1 day. 3, 4, that is 2 days. 5, and finally the last day, which is for the 3rd day. Make sure you are using a clean water, a sachet clean water or a boiled water. What I have here is a boiled water. So I'm going to add the last one. So this will last me for 3 good days. Now I'm going to cover this mixture like so. Cover it tightly. Cover it tightly. If possible, you get a leather, a nylon. Let me check if I have one here, because you want this to really heat up. Make sure you do not open this mixture until after 24 hours. So tie it very well. Tie it so well. If you have extra one, you can now tie it again. Just tie it like so. So you are going to keep this in your cupboard in any dark place. Leave this for 24 hours. Let's say I'm making this in the evening of today, or I'm making this in the morning of today. So I'm going to leave it for 24 hours. 24 hours is tomorrow morning. So once it's 24 hours tomorrow morning, I'll open it and just take or use spoon and take my measurement, this cup, the mixture, shake it very well before taking it. You drink it early in the morning before eating. The first thing that goes into your belly. Make sure you do not eat before drinking this, please. If you want to get the benefit of flat tummy and you want to flatten your belly, look at how flat my belly is. 2 times CS mom. Nobody will believe me that I've not even so sometimes when I tell people I've not gotten that I've given birth to 2 times, they'll be like, are you even married? Talk more of giving birth. Then 2 years you are not married, because once they look at my belly, I used to wear crop top. You see me with my cap, with my handbag, you say, this one never even married. Talk more of giving birth plus giving me 2 years. This is one of the best secrets I normally use to shed belly fat. So once you drink it, make sure you drink it first thing before eating in the morning. 2 hours or 1 hour, let's say minimum of 30 minutes. If you are the one that cannot hold yourself before eating, like you can't do without eating in the morning, please make sure you at least wait for 30 minutes. But if you want the benefit, it's not a must you will eat in the morning. It's not a must. But those of you that cannot eat, like you cannot function properly without eating in the morning, please make sure you drink this 30 minutes or 1 hour before eating. Let's say you wake up once it is 6 a.m. You take this on empty stomach even before brushing your mouth. Then you wait till 7 a.m. or 8 a.m. before you now eat, if you must eat. But if you must not eat, it is more effective once you leave it and do a little fasting till 12 p.m. of the noon before you eat it. Now once you come back at night after eating, once you had your dinner at night, 2 hours after having your dinner or 3 hours after having your dinner, you now drink this before going to bed. You now lie down. Do this for 3 days and you see the magic that will happen in your belly. Your belly will become so visibly reduced, and your waistline, and it focuses on waistline. This is not a general shredding mixture. This is for belly fat only. It will help fight inflammation. It will help balance your hormone, fight insulin, and also reduce your cravings. If you are the one that always eats, like you are always having sugar craving, meat pie, buns, pasta, all these things, it will help reduce your cravings. Increase the belly fat shredding for you. So make sure you do this, then come back in the next coming 4 days after taking this and tell me what you see. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel or like this video, please do that right now so that you can keep seeing beautiful videos like this. I give natural remedies that you can take. I give fertility remedy, I give joint pain remedy, I give hormonal remedy, anything remedy at all to help you have a good health and live a good and healthy life. See you in my next one. Bye.